Why is my tire losing air without a hole? Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Auto V Fix, where we share helpful car maintenance and repair tips and guides. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on our latest and yet helpful video. I see a lot of you asking, why is my tire losing air without a hole? In the comments section of the previous video on reasons only one tire loses air in cold weather. Well, today, I've got the answers. Before we dive in, let's chat about tire pressure. Most tires should sit around 35 to 40 to 45 psi, depending on your vehicle. But sometimes your tire might have other plans, like one of my old cars, my Ford F-150 tires. For months, it would drop to 30 psi, seemingly at random. But more on that story in a bit. So is it possible for tires to lose air without any visible leaks, holes, or punctures? Well, this is a problem that has left many drivers scratching their heads.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
One major reason behind this is the cold weather. I've covered the science behind why tires lose pressure in cold weather in a previous video. Search our channel for the video on why tires lose pressure in cold weather. And definitely watch it if you haven't already. So basically, in simple terms, cold weather or temperatures reduce the air density in your tires, lowering the pressure. But what if it is not a cold weather problem? Let's say we are in the summer season, you might ask. Well, that's where things get interesting. Picture this, a hole so tiny that always seals back up when your tire reaches its lowest pressure point. In this case, 30 psi. Yes, I know it sounds unlikely. Now let me share my experience regarding this. My Ford F-150 tire would consistently lose air until it hit 30 psi. Each time I checked for holes at this pressure, that is 30 psi, I found nothing. But then later on, when I happened to have filled the tire to over 35 psi, and voila, a tiny, previously undetected hole was uncovered. So if you're ever losing air without an obvious puncture or leak, I will advise that should inflate your tire slightly beyond its recommended pressure level. This could reveal hidden leaks or air pockets. Next, give your tire a bath or a soapy shower and watch closely for any bubbles. These are your tiny, hidden holes. If you're finding this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps us to keep making content just like this.
Thank you for standing with us.
So there you have it, guys. The mystery of the vanishing tire air leak with no hole or puncture is solved. Remember, if your tire's losing pressure and you can't find a hole, it might just be playing hide and seek. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button if you found this video to be helpful. Stay tuned for more informative videos, and until next time, drive and stay safe. I will see you in my next video. Bye.